AI can explain IFRS, quiz you on AFM, and help you structure an SBL answer. But before we use AI as your ACCA personal tutor, we need to understand what it actually is. Because AI can be useful, but it can also be biased, confidently wrong, and ethically risky. AI is not a human tutor. It does not know things in the same way a teacher knows them. It is a pattern engine. It has been trained on huge amounts of text, examples, questions, answers, and explanations. When you ask a question, it predicts a response that is likely to be useful. That is powerful, but it also means one important thing. A confident answer is not automatically a correct answer. So, how does it work? You give AI a prompt. For example, explain impairment for SBR or test me on bid-ask spreads for AFM. The AI then builds an answer step by step based on patterns it has learned. Then your job is to judge the answer. Does it match the standard? Does it apply to the scenario? Does it sound like ACCA exam logic? That final step matters because AI should help your thinking, not replace it. Now, let us talk about bias. AI learns from human created data, and human data contains assumptions, gaps, and narrow examples. Bias does not always look offensive or obvious. Sometimes it simply looks like a one sided answer. It may assume one leadership style is always best. It may use examples from one business culture. It may present one viewpoint as if it is the full picture. For ACCA students, that is risky, especially in SBL ethics and professional skills questions. Good answers need balance. They need judgment. They need awareness of context. Next, hallucination. A hallucination is when AI gives an answer that sounds real but is false, unsupported, outdated, or made up. It can invent a rule. It can give the wrong IFRS treatment. It can create a reference that does not exist. It can overstate what the examiner wants. And the dangerous part is this: it may sound polished. AI can be wrong with excellent grammar. That is why technical answers must be checked against ACCA, IFRS, or trusted study materials. Now, the advantages are real. Used well, AI can multiply your revision effort. It can explain difficult concepts in simple language. It can create examples and analogies. It can quiz you. It can compare two topics you keep mixing up. It can help you practice written answers for professional papers. It can act like a patient tutor that is available whenever you study. But the disadvantages are also real. AI may give incorrect answers. It may produce generic explanations. It may miss exam-specific nuance. It may make students passive. And that last point is the biggest risk. In ACCA, marks come from judgment, application, and explanation. If AI does all the thinking, you are not training the skill the exam is testing. So what is ethical use? Use AI to learn, not to cheat. Use it to understand, not to submit copied work. Do not upload confidential employer or client information. Verify technical answers with official or trusted material. Be transparent where your course, employer, or platform requires it. And most importantly, keep your own judgment active. The ethical question is not just, can AI give me the answer? It is, am I still developing the judgment I need as a future accountant? So here is the RevProACCA rule. Tutor, not autopilot. Ask AI to explain. Ask it to test you. Ask it to challenge your reasoning. Ask it to show assumptions and possible exceptions. Then verify the facts and rewrite the answer in your own words. AI is strongest when it helps you think. It is weakest when you treat it like an authority. In the next episode, we will build your AI tutor properly. We will show you how to prompt AI to explain any ACCA topic clearly with examples, exam focus, and practice questions.